Hey, what's up? It's Justin Jar from Polyphase. Let's take a look at the input system. There are two main player input systems in Polyphase. One way is through scripting. Let's show you that first. Let's go make a script. So with the old input system, you would have to write code for every single key and gamepad button you wanted to react to. So let's say if input dot is key just down, we'll say key and we'll use a key. Then so when the A key is held down, we will do self.text set text A. Okay? So that basically tells us that the A key was pressed down. And we can verify that by going here. Let's set the script to text controls, text. And we hit play, hit the A key, there's A key. So, it's as simple as that. You can also do it with the gamepad. If input dot is gamepad button just down, instead we use gamepad. Let's use the B button, okay? B. Then self.text set text B gamepad. We check it out here. And the B gamepad shows up. And if we hit the A on the keyboard, hits A. Feel free to do it that way, but there is another player input system that might make it a little bit easier. So let's go back to the editor. Let's go to Edit, App Settings. Let's go down to Input, Edit Player Inputs. And just for now, let's hit Save to Project. Go to Assets, hit refresh, and now you can see a new input actions asset. So let's add some inputs, right? Let's add category, game, name. Let's call it jump, right? Most games need a jump button. Let's hit add. Let's go into the jump. Here you'll see trigger mode. If you want it to be a single press, hold. If you want it to be kept held or multi-press, let's just do a single press for now. Let's add new binding, keyboard. Let's remap it. We could just hit the key, space. Let's also add the gamepad button and cross. Yeah, let's remap it to cross just in case. Save to project. And now let's go back to our script. Okay, so instead of using input, we are going to be using player input dot was just activated. We'll pass in the category first, game, and then we'll pass in the action name, jump. Then self.text set text to jump. And this way, hitting both gamepad X or A along with the spacebar should both trigger it. So let's hit gamepad A. There it is. Let's hit the keyboard to clean it up. And now let's hit keyboard space. There you go. So now we are triggering jump between both the keyboard and the gamepad. And that's how you use the player input system. Good luck, and I hope you make something amazing. Keep on creating. Good luck.